Welcome to CondoLogy.
I am Condo Bot. Let me introduce you to the CondoLogy application. First of all, the summary. The summary is an image window which represents the financial situation of the condominium in real time. Now, you have noticed that the summary is empty. Why? Because we are going to produce a series of videos by completely building the administration of a condominium. Therefore, we will have the opportunity to work with the summary, the description of the condominium, the budget items, the register of condominium, the complaints register, the register of activities of the board of directors, and the register of entrepreneurs. So, we are going to produce a video series for each of the forms as well as important sections of these forms. I'm Condo Bot. I'll see you very soon.